part of Solomon Island history.
And as you know, your excellency, we have
I remember being told by my father about Dr. Tui.
From Maleta, anyway.
Alright.
Was member of parliament? Canela.
Yeah, on Maleta. That was, yeah. And thereafter, there have been a lot more Fijians coming in. Yeah, so we have.
Maleta was too many.
Overall.
Obolosa. Obolosa. Corona boom.
Normally, the American was constructed under the supervision of Mr. Tawake. Become the middle nature. Yeah, I remember even one of those old times. Well known His daughter.
we see you on Sunday morning. Church.
This is prep.
Tonight.
Oh, tonight.
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 Thank you.
Thank you very much.